When they ask you, do you sell Forgiatos? Here we are back at it coast to coast, the Forgiato 24s, Bioforca, brush, chrome lip on the black BMW X4. Sitting perfect, staggered. Coast to coast customs, what we do every day. A 6-inch twisted trimestre, ECL, Forgiato floating caps. Sitting mean and clean. Yes. Twisted trimestre, something about those things rolling. In that sun, ooh. F-250 on the 26 by 12, fully forged fuels, 37-inch tires. You got a mean machine right here. And the reflection of the grounds. Woo, those wheels are clean, look at that. Like a mirror image right there. 26 by 12. Just got the truck finished being painted and you gotta get close. There's flake in that truck. That's not just any F-250.
What's going on, guys? It's Jeremy, Coast to Coast Customs, and I got some deals, man. It's over Memorial Day this weekend. Last minute deals. I feel you. Let's go. I still got these things. 3,500 26s. 3,500 26s. I still got them. I got these things still. 26 Asante. 26 Asante. $4,000. 26 Asante. $4,000. When they're gone, baby, they're gone. And I'm still sitting on these Forgiatos too, man. These Forgiatos got a floating cap in them. Can be cleaned up, painted Memorial Day. $4,000. You know what? Maybe $3,500. Make a deal. Call us, text us, email us, do whatever you want to do. DM us. There's always deals. Memorial Day right around the corner.
Teal Charger on the 24-inch Forgiato trimestre, coast to coast customs, chrome trimestres. sitting beautiful.
Right on.
28s, chrome, brand new tires, brand new lips.
There you go. Got the Range Rover 26 Forgiatos. Big cap on there. Got the Twisted. All black. Nasty. The Velar sitting on 6s. Coast to coast, back at it again. You know what time it is. Woo. Those hidden handles on there. Nasty handles, huh? Beautiful. 6s sitting bright. No cut, no rub. Velar 6s slap right on. Forgiatos back at you. Coast to coast, you know what's coming. He's coming. You'll catch him. Woo. Here comes the promised land. Woo. You got me out here on crutches, jumping around to show this bad boy. Woo. He's coming. Here you guys go. Promised land bound. See you boys out there. Finish it through. Coming through. Promised land. Here it comes.
Where we at? Coast to coast, what we doing every day. We got the Durango on 6s. Just did the change up. Brush gold. What are those? The Whips by Way Wheel. Mono block. That's what we do. Well, Jason, man, he take care of us every time. We came up.
Man, I'm telling you. Y'all cutlasses better go back to the drawing board. This thing is bananas on this one. Woo-wee. Cutlass. Back at it. Gorgeous, man. Gorgeous, gorgeous. Y'all get ready. You see them. Coast to coast, back at it again. I'm telling you, man. Woo! Look at the interior. Look at that steering wheel. OG, man. 6s sitting. Super OG. With the spokes? What? With the Vogues? Back at it? He just started. Let me show you this interior. All original. Ooh, it's like going back in the 70s, baby. If that interior could talk, I can imagine what happened over there. Coast to coast, back at it, man. I appreciate you, fam. Coming down. Doing it, man. Doing the damn thing. You never know, man. Something different.
6s, Forgiatos, those big XL floating caps on the Range Rover, coast to coast. Them shits every day. Forgiatos every day, all day.
Hey, man, just came by through the alignment. Got him right. You know what time it is.
Hey, Jimmy, you took care of me.
Woo! Appreciate you, fam. Appreciate you.
I love you.
Coast to coast, back at it again.
Better believe it.
Woo! Appreciate you. I'm telling you. Y'all get ready. Spring break's about to happen. Here we go. $392 on that 26-inch all gold 4Gs. You see the big cap on there? There you go. That candy orange. Go, staggered, man. Hard, hard, hard. Hey, y'all don't know about this one. You think it's a guy. It's a girl, man. She's killing it, girl. Tell me to see you out there. Woo! Woo! Ah. Thank you. Appreciate you. Always. You're looking good in there. What? There you go. Man, you see it? Tell him. Right there. Woo! Isn't that bad? Who started the car up?
Me.
That's right. That's right. Show them how it's done. Woo! Caddy on. What? Hey, the caddy game. I think it's been shut down, guys. Y'all gotta go back to the drawing board and start over again. Because this caddy is insane. You hear the way that closed? Y'all never heard a caddy close so sweet. No, no, no. You see it coast to coast back at you again, man, with the caddy killer. On them D's, big brakes, all gold. I mean, it's a time capsule. Look at this car. Insane. I'm talking about, oh my, oh, this is like executive right here. Look at this back seat. I don't think anyone ever sat in this car, ever. Oh my. It's like Al Pacino right here, man. It's the Godfather right here. Oh, man, you see what time it is. Here we go. Coast to coast, back on the scene. 26 Forgiatos, gold, baby, on a two-door box. Woo-wee. Getting ready for that Rick Ross car show coming down. Here we go. Get the LS motor in there. Ready to get down. These boys, everyone wants to show their stuff off. South Florida representing. Never know what you want to bring. Bring it. Try it out. The caddy on 30s. Never know. Woo.
Orgies on the Audi. Yeah, that's not a paint job. That's a wrap. Woo! That color's hitting.
Yo, yo, what up, man? Woo, you killing it, man. Where you from?
St. Petersburg, Florida,
I-
727.
What? I appreciate you, fam. 24s?
Yes, sir.
On the E-Class?
You know it.
Man, that looks like an S.
You know, make it do what it do. It's when a spaceship land on planet Earth.
Woo! You hear that? Y'all better ready, man. Ooh! Whoa, whoa, whoa. Show me one more time. Show me one more time. Man, there you go, man. There you go. I appreciate you.
Everyone's getting ready for Christmas.
G. OG right here, man. 26, big floating cap. Just sexy, sexy, sexy. Always something sexy right there, man. Good morning. Good morning, good morning. 30-inch Asante's on this bad boy. Get him right. I'm riding around. Woo-wee. Big boys for big toys. What's up, man? It's Jeremy, Coast to Coast. I got my boy here. Yo, listen. sat here. He said, Jeremy, I want to bring these 30-inch gold wheels back to life. I think I did a pretty good job. I don't know, you tell me.
Fantastic.
Yeah, I think my customer service was A1.
This one, I'm sure you guys haven't seen this one around, but this one's gonna be coming. 32s, Savinis. You guys know that one, Coke. You guys don't know this one. This guy's going.
I appreciate you, dog.